Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Smart Panel on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, Smart Panel provides quick access to frequently used features, apps, and settings, enhancing convenience and accessibility. And also enabling it ensures that these functions are readily available whenever needed, streamlining your device usage experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the Settings app on your device and then scroll down until you find the Special Function option. So, tap on it to open. Next, within the Special Function menu, find out and select the Smart Panel option. Tap on it to open. After that, enable the feature by sliding the toggle switch to the on position. And then activate the vibration switch feature to provide vibration feedback when you open the Smart Panel. Next, you can customize the arrangement of the Smart Panel by clicking on the Edit button at the bottom. Then tap on the applications you want to remove or add. Additionally, if you want to add the tools, click on this section and add the tools you desire. Click done when finished. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable Smart Panel on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.